Behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go!
We're off in the first of our elimination matches here as the number 8 seeded Alliance on red. Their Alliance captain manages to place a coral in the reef, as well as 1769 to Digital Hotch. Lonkish one straight through on red, giving them a 15-9 lead when drivers take control. Let's see how this number 5 seeded Alliance wants to answer back to Alliance 8 here. And it starts with the Stinger machine just barely missing a placement up on level 4 there. Team Steam getting right into it, trying to power up here, launching their ball, but it doesn't quite make its way into the net. 68-43, the Guardian Gears here, the captain of the number 8 Alliance, are lining up for another core replacement. Their arm goes out and they're gonna drop it delicately, but it just doesn't manage to land its spot here on the reef. Blue Alliance now taking the lead 24-18, and it's off this Stinger scoring here. Another 5 points for Blue, managing to get it on that 4th tier. 51-19, Team Steam now working Algae into the processor. That's 5 points for them, but it's immediately answered as the human player for the Red Alliance gets it up into the net. 1769 to Digital Hawks. They're lifting their googly-eyed robot up. They're aiming their sights there on the Red Alliance net. They're up, and it bounces a couple times, but it stays in. Good for 6 points on red as they cut it down to 33-57. Blue Alliance still stepping away with the lead here in our first elimination match as 51-19, Team Steam up and again into the net. We've got Millennium Falcons working in tandem with Stinger, getting coral on those 4th nodes. That's 10 points now going into the Blue Alliance's point. Here is Stinger again. They're trying to make a hive of this reef, but they can't quite find the mark there. With 25 seconds, we've got a couple red robots lining up for endgame already. Brave bots keep cage, and they're up and off the ground. Their Alliance partner, 68-43. It looks like it's an endgame strategy from the Alliance number 8 here. They've got 3 robots already under the barge, 2 up in the air. Will any on blue join them as we get a last-second coral placement here with 1 second coming through from Stinger? They don't quite have the time. Blue Alliance, 75-68, down to the wire there in round 2, match 5. Alliance 5 is going to keep on going in our lower bracket. But wow.